Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris, and today I am going to show you how to trade using TD markets. If you are joining us for the first time, you can watch the video that will show you how to create an account and also get verified. Before we even start, you will find the link to create your account on this video description. And if you are watching this on TikTok, you will find it on my link tree, and that is found on my bio. I also created a video that shows you how to deposit, and also when you are done trading and have made some profit, you'll be able to watch this video so that you can know how to withdraw your money. So now, without wasting time, let me go to my laptop so I can show you how to trade on TD markets. So the first thing is you need to log into your account and click dashboard. As soon as you click dashboard, you'll see that this is the money that I've deposited. After depositing, you go to quick trade. So quick trade, everything is already done for you. 50 rand, 100 rand, 200 rand. So I'm just going to change my South African rands to USDC coin. Confirm. So when you confirm, you now have USDC for 50 rand. And where do you see it? Under your wallet. So when you go to your wallet, you see now you do have USDC. So that's the first way to trade. I already have USDC and ZAR. So the next way to trade, you can go back to dashboard. After going back to dashboard, you can go to wallets. Under wallets, you will have to go to the coin that you want to trade. Our money is deposited in South African rand. And then you click the trade arrow, and then you'll be able to trade. So from here, you can click the down arrow and select South African coin or South African rand, and you can select the coin that you want from the list. So let's just do Dogecoin. So you select Dogecoin. You can also use the slider to specify the amount, or you can type the amount that you want. And then from there, you just click convert. So what did you do now? We converted our South African rand into a Dogecoin. So how do you check it? You go back to your dashboard, go back to wallets, and now you will see that we have Dogecoin. So if it doesn't show like it is doing now, you have to refresh your screen, because then the changes are not showing immediately. So as I refreshed, now I'll be able to see Dogecoin in my wallet. So that's the second way to trade, by just clicking the arrow there under trade. So the next way, we're going to markets now. So this is where you see different currency pairs. So you can also do your swapping here. It's like converting from your South African rand to Dogecoin. And there's other cryptocurrencies like your Cardano, like your Polkadot.net. I see there's Ethereum and BTC. So you just click swap, and then you must just make sure at the top you have your ZAR, and then at the bottom it will be whatever coin that you want. You can also use a slider there to specify how much you want to change. So you select the bottom one and select whatever coin you want, and then that way you'll be able to convert. So this is another way to convert. So I just converted ZAR to USDC. So as you can see, after refreshing, I now have more. So the next thing, you go to N on the left hand side, and you just want to sort of like invest your money so that it can grow. So it's like staking in a way. So you see the maximum APY is 6% per annum. But you do need a ZAR coin in order for you to trade. So you go to markets. After going to markets, you look for a currency pair that has ZAR and ZAR coin. So when you go to the bottom, you'll see that there is a currency pair like that. So since my money is already on ZAR, you just have to scroll down here. You will see these two windows. You can buy on market or on limits. On market, you're buying with the current price. So I'm just going to do 50 rand. I had to do 50 rand again because in N, you need to have the minimum of 100 rand. So when you use limits, it means you want to buy at a certain time when their price has gone down. So to see your order, you just go to order history, and you will see your order that is done and completed under status. So let's go back to N now, so you can see how you can make your money money work for you. So we are on end, so we're depositing this money. You can deposit for 10 days, you can deposit for 30 days, but I'm just going to do flexible. And remember, I said it is 100 rand. I accepted terms and conditions, and I am depositing. So it's like you're putting the money fixed somewhere, you're staking it, and this money will earn interest. The more you leave it there, the more you will earn interest. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video. Remember, if you want to create your account, you will find the link on the video description. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also share this video with people who might need to see this. Thank you.